Alright, now that is a case 2 of reflection. In that case, object and image is known and line of reflection is what we need to find out. Alright, so there is an example of object and image. Like I'm going to say that the shape A is reflected onto shape B. We need to find out the line of reflection. For line of reflection, keep in mind that we need to focus on the midpoint. Alright, midpoint leads to line of reflection. Now, let's suppose this is a point P and after reflection this is the point P dash. Similarly, if I say that this is the point Q, so after reflection it will be the point Q dash. Now, I need to count the number of boxes between P and P dash. So count the number of boxes, it's 1, 2 and 3. Alright, so that means if there are 3 boxes, so the midpoint will be at 1.5 boxes. Alright, so I got a first point and that will be here. Similarly, if I observe the point Q, so Q and Q dash, how many boxes? It's 1, 2. So that means the midpoint will be at 1. So I got another midpoint and that is this one. Now we have 2 points. We need to join those points and extend the line. Now that is a line of reflection for the shape A and shape B. Similarly, if I need to find out the line of reflection of C onto D, first thing I need to observe the midpoint. Alright, so if this point is reflected over this point, so the midpoint is, I'm going to highlight this one, that is your midpoints. Alright, similarly, if this point is reflected over this point, you need to first count the boxes. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the midpoint, it will be at 3. So 1, 2, 3, that is your midpoint. So mark those points and now you need to extend those points with the line. So that is your line of reflection. Alright, so keep in mind when you have object, you have image. For a line of reflection, you need to highlight the midpoints. When you highlighted the midpoint, you need to connect those points and draw a line. That will be your line of reflection.